My name is Ethan Griffiths. I did a level 3 coaching and development based down in Llongyfarchiadau. I really enjoyed the course, to be fair. It was something different. Like, I was doing A-levels down in Porthcawl and it just wasn't quite for me. My mum suggested this down in Llongyfarchiadau, and I'm so glad I did it. I'm over the moon with my results. It's still a bit baffling, to be honest. I achieved a triple distinction star, which I'm very pleased about, to be fair. So in this coming up September, I'll be going to Bournemouth down in AECC to do chiropractic or chiropractic care. Something that I've looked forward to for a few years now, and really high expectations. So I'm really glad that I got the triple distinction star. It's helped a lot.